Good morning, respected principal, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am here to present a speech on importance of education. Mr. President, education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It is the most important factor for the development of human civilization. It gives us knowledge and teaches us lesson of humility. Mr. President, education teaches men how to think, how to work properly, how to make decisions. It comprises good doubts in human beings. Mr. President, education provides the nation with willpower, promote national unity and uplift and identity and highlights the human talents. At the last, Mr. President, education increases self-confidence and assists in developing the personality of a person. It leads to innovation and discoveries. This education develops a meaningful outlook for power. Thank you all.